Hey everyone, meteorologist Blaze Thomas here. Want to give you a weather update. It's early this morning, but I want to tell you that the risk for icy roads continues to be extreme for the whole state. Let's take a look at iDrive Arkansas and look at current conditions across the state. And we're seeing some roads that are clear in northern Arkansas, according to iDrive Arkansas, but there's still several roads with icy conditions, snow covered all across the state. So take it real easy out there if you have to travel this morning. And then I do think we're going to see some warming up today, but then the chance for more refreeze could become an issue. Another thing we got to show you is the freezing fog potential. Let me show you this. We'll put this graphic into motion and you can see visibility could be an issue right around 8 a.m. on Tuesday, which would be this morning. You can see Fort Smith over around Russellville. Those temperatures would support freezing fog, which again could make travel a little bit more hazardous. I mean, I know there's several roads that are still struggling, and I'm afraid that this could make roads a little bit worse out there. Now we'll put this into motion, then it clears out. And indications could be a little bit warmer today. I'll look at temperatures here in a second, but then more freezing fog is possible for your Wednesday morning. So just be mindful of that, which does expand a little bit more in coverage. So just be aware of that. Now, look at this temperature. I do think today we warm up a little bit. I think there's a few areas, especially southern Arkansas and central Arkansas, that gets above freezing, which I do think is going to help with some melting. But keep in mind, anything that melts, when it drops below freezing again, is going to refreeze. So just be mindful of that. And then you can see those temperatures continue to drop as we get into the evening for today. And then tonight, those temperatures really start to drop. And then tomorrow, they warm back up again. So again, back up above freezing. But the big story that everybody's talking about is maybe a little bit more winter weather. But I will show you the newest computer model guidance just doesn't really show much right now. Look at that. That's a blast of Arctic air temperature-wise. That's going to be cold. Now, let me show you Futurecast and what you can expect. Are we expecting any winter weather? Well, like I said, there's some talk about it, but I'll be honest, I don't really see anything. The model's really not hinting at anything with this. This is our high-resolution computer models, maybe a couple flurries in eastern Arkansas, but that's about it. We're looking at Friday evening into the overnight hours, Saturday morning, and I just don't see it. This computer model just not showing it right now. Doesn't mean it's not going to happen, but again, whatever does occur would be very light, but it's something to know. With the temperature so low, whatever falls will stick. Every snowflake will stick. That's just it. So, anyways, guys, I'm meteorologist Blaze Thomas. Hope you continue to have a fantastic Tuesday. Like I said, it's early out there. I wanted to get up here early this morning, record a video, show you what iDrive Arkansas is looking like. And so, be mindful. Just check iDrive Arkansas to make sure that you are looking at the latest information. But roads are starting to look better in northern Arkansas, but still icy and snow-covered conditions across the rest of the state. Again, meteorologist Blaze Thomas. Have a great Tuesday.